Welcome to UBUD After Dark. We are going to head to dinner. We are going to head to Munchies. Munchies is a budget-friendly restaurant, and the traffic gets wild at night. Okay, so now it's dark. I gotta watch the sidewalk as I walk and talk. But Munchies is a great budget-friendly restaurant. It was $10 for us to have that lunch, or to have that dinner. And, oh, it scared me.
And that includes a cocktail.
Yes, and Jay had a mojito. Isn't that crazy? It was very tasty. And I had a salad, which was just lettuce basically, but it tasted like the leaf lettuce came out of the garden. It was so fresh. And what else? Oh, the tea. It's almost like their tea is like a chrysanthemum tea. So it has like a floral flavor to it. It's so yummy. So it's really not my favorite to do nighttime videos because the videos, you want them to be crisp and clear, and at nighttime they don't typically come out that way, unfortunately. But I want you to keep in mind that this is Sunday night and we're just walking by some shops now, but it doesn't seem to be as hopping on a Sunday as it would be like on a Saturday night, obviously. But we'll try and get some night shots just so you guys can get a feel of what it's like. One of the things that we've noticed is that at nighttime some of the streets become one-way streets because scooters will park basically in quarter of the lane, so you really have no room for two-way traffic. So it kind of like would mess up the route if you're used to going one way and then at nighttime you can't go that way. There are so many shops and so many different restaurants. You could stay here for a few months just to test out all the different restaurants. There are so many. And they look so good. Have any of you guys watched Schitt's Creek? Because you know, like the black baggy pants that David wears in Schitt's Creek? There are a couple of stores that sell them. I'm trying to convince Jay to buy them, but he ain't going for it. They just look so comfy. We have a laugh every time we walk by. So busy. I absolutely love this pottery store. Oh my gosh.
Pretty fancy luggage bag.
So we just stopped in at the Atman to have some dessert and a nightcap. I think we might order a banana split. But it is so cool here. They have like these little areas where you can just flop down and sit at these really short tables. They have pillows all around. It was so cool here. So we are just finishing up with a nightcap. Thank you so much for joining us tonight. I hope you enjoyed your tour of UBUD, or UBUD as they call it. Give me a big thumbs up if you liked it, and we'll see you in the next one.